Today, we've got some exciting news for you. From Google's unreleased Android UI leak out to Substack going after Clubhouse and Spotify with audio live streams, and new legislation could force Apple to open up its App Store. Buckle up! Let's dive right in! First, an unexpected peek into Android's future. A hidden developer build of Google's search app has revealed a major upcoming visual overhaul, part of a redesign insiders are calling Material Next. While it's not yet public, developers digging into the app uncovered mock-ups and code references that show a more customizable and fluid user interface. Here's what's new: redesigned status bars, updated quick settings, and a bolder icon system, with more adaptive widgets that feel smarter and more dynamic. Google is clearly pushing toward a UI that feels more personal and context-aware, anticipating what you need based on how you use your phone. Though it's early, this leak signals Android's pivot toward deeper user-centric customization, something that could influence how phone makers like Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi build their future skins. For users, it means phones that feel more like your own, and for developers, a new visual language to design for. Let's shift gears from mobile UIs to the rising voice of creators. Substack, the newsletter platform best known for fueling the paid creator economy, is branching out. It launched an audio-only live streaming feature, allowing writers to speak directly to their audience in real time, no cameras involved. What sets this apart? Unlike video live streams or pre-recorded podcasts, this feature allows writers to hold spontaneous, live audio discussions, making Substack sound more like Clubhouse or Twitter Spaces. But the key difference is community. Substack writers already have loyal subscriber bases, and now they can build deeper engagement through live conversations. For creators, this opens a new revenue stream and content format. For listeners, it's a chance to interact with their favorite voices without needing to scroll or watch. Just listen. It also marks Substack's quiet but serious entry into the growing audio wars, putting pressure on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and even YouTube's podcast push. And finally, Apple's grip on the iOS ecosystem is under fire. Again, a new bipartisan bill in the US, called the App Store Freedom Act, could change everything. If passed, it would force Apple to allow third-party app stores and alternative payment methods on iPhones and iPads. Currently, developers are locked into Apple's ecosystem, paying up to 30% in fees just to distribute apps or process payments. This bill aims to break that monopoly, promising more competition, better deals for developers, and potentially lower app prices for consumers. Apple argues this change would compromise user security and device integrity, but critics say it's about time the company loosened its iron grip. For developers, it's a chance to reach users on fairer terms. And for the public, it could finally mean freedom of choice, where and how you download your apps. And that's all for today. Join us on Friday for another episode. Thank you for watching.